my sheet pan shrimp boil. You know, the shrimp in the pot, you got the potatoes in there, you got the sausage in there, you just pour it out onto the table and people go crazy. Gonna be a little bit of the same frenzy, but very simple to put together, okay? So, Katie, I've got you over here with the andouille sausage.
Okay.
Just cut that into 2-inch sections. In here, I've got the corn. Katie, you wanna toss the andouille in there? Thank you so much. Slice that down the middle.
I love a little butter going in.
Have you guys ever seen in the produce section those potatoes that are like you can steam them?
Yeah,
They're part cooked in that microwave bag. Just get that in there. I always feel like the potatoes are the best part. Some thyme. Stand the corn up on its ends.
Okay.
All right, so shrimp here. These are the colossals, okay? You can actually buy these in the freezer section, already deveined, and they'll even still have the shell and the tail on. All right, so I like to kind of make a pouch. So you can make the pouch however you like, but we're really gonna try and encapsulate everything in the pouch. We've got a little bit of some seafood seasoning, your favorite kind, just over the top. What, pray tell, do you think I would put in here?
Beer!
That's right. Yeah, so you just want to get it to where it's like right at the top and cresting, and then cover it up.
The word.
You don't really care about venting. You want to make it nice and close, and then put that right on the top. So I've got the oven at 400 degrees. This is only going to take about 35 to 45 minutes.
Here we go.
It's Friday night.
It's Friday night.
You don't feel like you know what I'm saying?
Oh, man.
And then just gingerly open up your pouch.
Look at that.
See
Oh,
that?
look at that juice. You don't eat the juice.
Wait, you're not done. I know we're all in. You see us? She's like, stop it.
Oh, look at all that.
Why would you
good
use a
liquid
pot
coming
again?
out.
You wouldn't.
Never.
Why would you
wouldn't.
use a pot again,
Look at how
Sonny?
clean this is.
And look, the sausage gets crisp, too.
Nice and crisp.
Oh
Everything's
my
cooked
God.
through.
And that shrimp is it is unbelievable.